first thing that is important to know in Cyclone 3D Touch mode is this new interface to make your life much easier in the field to achieve your as-built inspection. So after clicking New, I can easily open my preparation file, and this one contains obviously the BIM model I want to work on today, and all the sub parts of the BIM model I want to focus for my job to deliver a report to my customer. I can also benefit from the new camera modes that I'm showing here just to check the contents of my 3DR projects. And this is easy to move forward in the workflow. I'm just clicking next, and now I'm loading the scan before launching the comparison. And so I can do this step directly from Cyclone Fieldworks, but also I can load a local file like LGS, E57, PTS, and check the contents with the new visibility toolbar. I'm moving forward in the workflow, and obviously you may face a situation when the point cloud is not aligned to the BIM model. Also have to move the BIM model to the point cloud, so you have the two possibilities in this alignment tool, and you can see that we reproduced the same user experience as in Cyclone Field 360 or Cyclone Register 360 with the 2D alignment way to check and to match the two objects. And so after a first rough manual alignment that I've done, here I'm using the new limit box that has been definitely upgraded for a touch usage, so the ability to edit a limit box in the field when you handle the tablet with your hands. And so finally, thanks to this limit box, I can see what happens inside my building and refine my manual alignment between the two objects. And so obviously, if you want to make an accurate comparison between the design and the as-built scan, you have to launch a best fit computing, and you can check the results from the best fit when you go back to the 3D view in the scene. Next step of the workflow is very easy to proceed, and you can clean if you want your data, and before launching the inspection, now you can choose which parts of the BIM model you want to analyze. And so what I would like here is to create a color map of the structure of this level, including walls, floors, columns. And that's very easy to move forward in the workflow, and selecting the parameters that are appropriate for the job that I want to do in the field. And before creating my deliverable, I can choose the predefined color map. And for this example, what I want to do is use a tolerance predefined gradient. And I think now I'm good to create the nodes to complete my reports. Nodes are part of a new kind of object in Cyclone 3D Touch mode, which means that nodes will leverage your reports. I'm just doing a tap on a BIM object, and I'm creating a node. In each node, thanks to the toolbar in the scene, I can add all the information that is required to help my customer to give him what he needs to make the decisions that are important for its project, and so I can bring some deviation information. I can take pictures from the camera, and I can also complete OneNote with screenshots, and you can check all those information directly in the list of notes that you are creating. So I can create as many notes as I want for my reports, as many screenshots, and which is great also here is using this new gallery tool in touch mode to check, to have an overview of the screenshots, but also of the pictures if you want to update or delete some of them. Finally, you can see that we have a user-friendly command to define any comments, and in one click, after the creation of notes, now I created my report. So in order to finalize it, what I can do is customize some information, and I can also load a logo for my company or for my customer. And again, another click to update, and now let's have a preview of the PDF report. So you can see that all the screenshots, the detailed table of deviations are part of this report. You have just seen how easy and how fast it is to create a report for your as-built inspection in the field and to help your customers in their projects. So now let's move forward with the next demonstration and the new support of BIM model in Cyclone 3DR.